360-degree circle which is divided into 36 equal parts of 10 degrees each.
Hi, I'm Neha from Art and Stuff, a calligraphy and mandala artist. I am a content creator, an art educator, and a small business owner. I make videos on art, calligraphy, mandala, digital art, DIYs, and much more. So, if you're an artist or want to become one, consider subscribing to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a video.
The first step for drawing a mandala is to draw the grid. Now for drawing the grid, we need to find the midpoint of the sheet of the piece of paper that we are using. Now for that, we'll measure the length and width of this paper. Now the length is 21 centimeter. Now we'll just write it down here, 21 centimeter by 21 centimeter. Now we'll divide 21 centimeter by 2 and we'll get 10.5 centimeter. So this way we'll draw a vertical line at 10.5 centimeter and same will do with a horizontal line. So in this way we'll draw a horizontal and a vertical line. Now we have found our midpoint of the paper. Now the second step is to draw concentric circles. Now what is a concentric circle? Concentric circles are circles made using the same midpoint. So now the next step is we'll take our compass, any compass would work. We'll take our compass, we'll use the same midpoint that we found out and we'll draw circles using the same midpoint. So you will not change the midpoint, rather just extend your compass to draw concentric circles. So these are known as concentric circles. The midpoint of all the circles remain the same, and there is no specific diameter or radius of these circles. These are very random. You can draw as many circles as you want depending upon your mandala design. So once we are done with the concentric circles, now we'll take our protractor. We'll keep our protractor straight at 90 degrees. So you have to make sure that your protractor is straight because that's what makes or breaks your mandala grid, and the final design of your mandala it also depends upon the grid accuracy. So make sure that your protractor is straight at 90 degrees and at 180 degrees. Now we'll divide this circle into equal parts by marking point at every 10 degrees. Now you can also mark point at 5 degrees or 20 degrees depending upon the design of your mandala. Now we'll mark points at every 10 degrees. So at 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Same at this part as well. Now we'll repeat the procedure at the lower part of the circle. The same procedure. We'll mark points at every 10 degree distance. Like this. So these points will actually divide your whole mandala circle, whole grid into equal parts, into 36 equal parts. Now we'll take a ruler and we'll now join these points using a ruler. Now we'll just have to make sure that our line is straight and the line goes through this midpoint. All the lines should go through this point. So we'll draw all the lines like this. We are doing nothing, just joining the 10 degree marked points and dividing the circle into equal parts. So once you have done this, you will see that your circle is divided into 36 equal parts. So we'll do the same at this portion as well. all the lines should go through the midpoint to make sure that the grid is symmetrical and accurate. Now after joining all the lines and all the 10-degree marks, we can see that our circle is divided into 36 equal parts. Now this is the main, this is the base of your mandala, which makes or breaks your mandala. So you have to make sure that all the points that you mark are accurate, all the lines that you have made are at equal distance from each other. So if you see the grid properly, so we can see it starts from 10 degrees, 20 degrees, 30 degrees and so on, and here we have a 90 degrees and 180 degrees. So this is a 360 degree circle which is divided into 36 equal parts of 10 degrees each.